Hey, hello there, this is Javier again from Howdy Honda. Let me go ahead and show you the tires and the engine bay, okay? So you can tell the tires, they're pretty good. That's one. That's two. If you see here, look, there's still a lot of space. It looks like brand new tires, to be honest. That's the other one. And that's the last one. So let me go ahead and record the engine. Alrighty, so we got it right here. And let me show you everything. So it looks pretty clean and new. It sounds quiet and beautiful. So yeah, this vehicle is being taken well care. It's been taken care for sure. If you do have any other questions, let me know. But that's how it looks like, okay? Thank you so much.